Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to make use of GitHub Pages to deploy or create React app quickly. GitHub Pages is a great platform provided by GitHub to turn our online code repository into a website containing of one or more pages so we can easily showcase our portfolio. Okay, so now that we have our React app created, let us look into it. Here are the contents of my React app, including the public directory and the source directory containing all the web codes. So let us quickly start our React app by running npm start. Yes, so our app is live and running on localhost 3000. Let us make some changes to our app to make it look different when we deploy it. So I'm going to make changes to the text. Deploy to GitHub Pages. Now I'm going to save it and check the changes. So yes, we have made changes to our React app, and let us move on to see how we can deploy it to GitHub Pages. So for deploying it to GitHub Pages, we will be needing a node dependency of GitHub Pages. Let us first install that. Okay, so I will skip the installation here. Okay, so now my GitHub Pages dependency is installed, and I would push all my changes in the app to my GitHub repo. So for that, I'll first git init and match the origin with my GitHub repository. So now that's done, and I'll push all the changes onto git push origin master. Waiting to complete. It will ask for login. Once the credentials are validated, it will start pushing the codes. So now we have pushed our code, and it's finally time to configure our app for deployment. Move on to the package.json file and on top of that, add home page. The home page will be of a particular format. So this is the format HTTP username, where username is your GitHub username, and repo name is the name of the repository onto which this app is merged. So in username, I will be replacing it with my GitHub username. You can do it with your own, and in the repo name, it is deployed in my case. Finally, in the scripts, I have to write the deploy scripts. So one is pre-deploy, which will be called just before deploy, and I'll run npm run build to run the build to develop a easy, lightweight version of our app. And finally, the deploy, which will use GitHub Pages. Sorry, I missed the quotations. GitHub Pages, and it will deploy the build directory onto GitHub. So I will save the package file, close it, and npm run deploy. So it is first gonna run npm run build to create a lightweight version of our app, React app, and the build will be in the same directory. The build, I guess, is complete. Now it is running GitHub pages debuild to push the build onto GitHub Pages. On a successful publish, you will see this message as published. Now You just need to switch to your GitHub repository, go to settings, and there in GitHub Pages, once you refresh it, you should see this message. Your site is published at the web address. So when you click it, you should see your app running. If the changes are not visible right away, you should wait for at least 30 minutes after running the deploy scripts to check whether your app has been successfully deployed onto GitHub Pages. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.